The first 20-25 minutes punish us. I miss this type of character, personality, to be a little bit more brave without the ball, with the ball. But then the team recovered and the team were much better. In the second half, also the first 10 minutes were difficult, then we combat. But at the end, the team is always alive, is always trying to be. Even losing, we try to push and we try to live in this mid block, trying to press them and has our chances, and yeah, that was the game. At the end, Hajduk has a team that even with injured players, they have to fight for more things, like win the league. We are in another type, and we have 8 games more, trying to be competitive.
Evo, ako imate pitanja, možete slobodno postaviti.
Do you think you could do something more, maybe not in the first half, maybe in the half time, or you think against this Hajduk, this is the maximum you could provide in this moment?
If I could lose more, but
if you could take more, give more, like team could give more.
Yeah, I think the first 20-25 minutes we were in our best shape. They win us in these second balls, on these type of situations, about behaviors, not about the structure, in the first 20-25 minutes. Then the team was much better. But yeah, at the end, to win this type of games, you have to be in your 100%, or not 100, maybe 120. And they have to be not in the best mood. Hajduk has a team to win that league, not to be with us fighting for different things. So try to understand what's the game and what's the importance of that game also.
You say that Hajduk have team to win league. Garcia said you have team to be fourth, so they wouldn't. Would you?
We'll see. We'll fight for be there. We'll fight to be there. I don't know where we're gonna arrive, but for sure we have to be in our best mood from the minute one. Not start the game in the second half or start the game in the 25 minutes. But I'm very positive. We'll think that we'll fight every game to win games. Always we are alive. Always the team is trying. The team is positive, and the team is trying to improve, to go forward, to punish the opponent. Sometimes works, sometimes not. But it's just a game. It's just a game. We try to give the importance that the result is just this. Tomorrow wake up and prepare the next game, because in four days we have another. So it's very close, and give the importance that they have, and go for the next one.
How much this break make impact on the team's performance?
I said before with you that when you are in a good dynamic, winning, always these breaks is not helping you. But I don't think it's about this. Maybe the first 20-25 minutes, yes. I don't know, but it's not the first game that is difficult for us. The starts. But team shows that when they are in the best mood, when they believe, when they are positive, when they go forward and they do things right, we are always alive, and we are always there, and we have this capacity. So it's trying to be not in this kind of mountains all the games. Try to be more with more balance. But this is tight.
svojim ulaskom i golom je zaslužio pažnju.
Something positive is Agada with his entrance and goal. He deserved attention.
Yeah, I think today we had very positive things. The players that jump in were very good, all of them. Agada is a player that always, with this type of chaos, give you something different with this power. He still has to improve and has to grow. But also Lonchar was very good the time that he jumped in, and is a good news for us. Then Taraba was very good, Obando also. So I always try to be positive and try to take positive things. And I said to the boys that the players that jump in give what the moment demands, and yeah, try to have more players in this battle. More players. If we have more players, we have more battle inside the squad. Everything will be better because we will be more competitive. Yeah, another player will jump in. Another player will jump in, and we'll see. We will analyze today. Lokomotiva is analyzed, so we know what we wanna. What is the performance that we want, or the type of player that we want, and also I will make some rotations. Also, I think the team needs to refresh. We have the last experience that we have against Gorica was that after 4 days we play. Gorica was the second game. Some players were a little bit tired, so we'll try to make changes, and we'll try to make this impact, and we'll see if this works. But I think we have players that are not playing, and as I said to them, that maybe they scored the most important goal in this term, or maybe they play the most important game, or maybe, who knows? Football is football, and sometimes you don't know what will happen. But what happened today with the players that jump in is very good news, and we'll see for Saturday.